Hey guys, the last video we shared the top 10 apps that you can use in China. And in this video, I will show you exactly on how to make friends in Chinese. Most of the people that come from outside China will most probably have no any connection at all because of the huge language barrier challenge. And this video will help you on how to make friends with Chinese in few simple steps. This can possibly make your life easier and more convenient when you're connecting with Chinese. Okay, let's be friends. When we meet people in the first time and relating Chinese culture, we will introduce ourselves first so that it will make the other person feel comfortable with us. Okay, let's start introduce ourselves. Hello, nice to meet you. My name is Xu Yang. I'm from America. What's your name? 你好 means hello. 很高兴认识你 Nice to meet you. 我叫许阳 My name is 许阳 我来自美国 I'm from America. What's your name? 你叫什么名字？你 means you. 叫 means called. 什么 means what. 名字 means name. So what's your name? And next, let's ask for the contact. May I have your WeChat? 我可以有你的微信吗？我 means I 可以 means may or can 有 means have 你的 means your 微信 means WeChat. So may I have your WeChat? Or you can say may I have your phone number? In China, we usually use WeChat and phone number, but during meeting the first time, we don't usually ask for phone number unless if they are your customer or colleague or close friends. Okay, we're now friends. I hope this video will help you. And if you want to learn this more, you can watch the video again and keep on practicing. If our video has given you value, give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and give your comment below. And also, I would love to hear what the kind of topics do you want to watch in followed upcoming videos. We will bring you more and more interesting to help you in your Chinese learning journey. 再见. See you on our next videos.